Hi, I'm Michael Baldwin, president of Baldwin Homes, and today we're going to introduce you to the first Coastal Plains outfall system that has been implemented in Anne Arundel County, and for that matter, the nation. It's a system that naturally allows the stormwater runoff to filter into the ground rather than rushing directly into our streams. What this is going to do is raise the quality of water as it enters into our stream system, and that's going to have a benefit to the Chesapeake Bay as a whole. Welcome to the Preserve at Severn Run, Baldwin Homes' first energy efficient, healthy home, sustainable green community. This community evolved into an environmentally sensitive community during the design phase in working with Anne Arundel County to develop an alternative way to control stormwater runoff. We did this in order to protect the local Jabez Branch, a tributary of the Severn Run, and its native self-sustaining brook trout population, which survives due to a constant water temperature. As you will see and can see on site, we have deep swales along the roads. This is part of the alternative stormwater management system, better known as the Coastal Plains Outfall System, or regenerative stormwater conveyance design. These swales will be throughout the community as it is developed, and be a unique amenity for the Preserve at Severn Run. Why is this important? This Coastal Plains Outfall System, which is among the first of its kind in the nation, creates a healthier environment for our streams. Outfall systems involve a series of descending catch pools with native plantings and stones set on a thick base of sand, which in turn creates its own ecosystem. The system is designed to process and filter rainwater from the community by introducing it into the tributaries as groundwater, thus eliminating erosion and decreasing the temperature shock a traditional stormwater system would normally cause to the habitats and ecosystems within our streams. I'm pleased to introduce Janet Owens, who was the county executive during the design process of the Preserve at Severn Run.
Hello, I'm Janet Owens, the former county executive of Anne Arundel County. We're here on site at the Preserve at Severn Run, the most advanced environmental project in Anne Arundel County. And this is a site that has taken years to get to this point. The Baldwin family deserve a great deal of credit for taking a leadership role in developing all aspects of an environmentally advanced community. They hope to be LEED certified, and you'll get to see what they have done in terms of site development, and I really commend them.
Let's meet the designer of this Coastal Plains Outfall System, an expert in field ecology, Keith Underwood. He will help explain how the system works, the habitats it creates, and how it has a positive impact on the health of our streams.
This is a stormwater conveyance system that mimics the natural functions of the zero and first order streams that were historically found in our landscape. This is essentially a sand-bedded step pool system that carries from the Jabez Branch all the way back up through the landscape to the top of the watershed. As a result, each of those pools is capturing water, filtering it into the sand, and that water is all released into the Jabez Branch as a clear, cold spring head. What you see behind me here is a series of berms as that water backs up into each one of these pools, and these elongated pools here, it's subsequently forced to filter through the gravel on its way downstream here. So this project is significant in that it is a comprehensive use of the regenerative stormwater conveyance system. So the large stone that you see scattered through the landscape here is bog iron. Sandstone, some people call it sandstone. It's bog iron. It's the colonials smelted it to make iron products in the past in this region. It's very porous, it naturalizes readily, it'll have ferns and mosses growing on it in very short order. It's the only large stone that occurs on the coastal plain. The trees and wood stumps that you see scattered throughout the landscape here are important parts of the restoration of these zero-order streams. The bacteria that process nitrogen need that coarse woody debris, the organic carbon, as part of their metabolic processes, a sink to be able to carry on those processes of removing the nitrogen from the water as it flows through the system here.
One of the best features of the Coastal Plains Outfall system is that it is maintenance-free. The plants used in the creation of the system are native and will essentially create their own ecosystem as they grow and decompose over the years to come.
So this is, in essence, ecosystem restoration that's taking place in tandem with the development of this parcel of land here. Within 5 years, you will hardly be able to tell that we were in these landscapes. They will be just spectacular, naturalized landscapes that follow along, connect with the wood line, and follow down along the roadside.
Here we are at the headwaters of Severn Run. Severn Run is a tributary that feeds into the Severn River. And then there are many tributaries that actually feed into the Severn Run. And what we want to show here is the amount of siltation that has occurred over the years from stormwater runoff. We've got about 4 or 5 feet of silt in this area, and that's all been deposited through stormwater runoff. By implementing the Coastal Plains Outfall system at the preserve at Severn Run, we will help to prevent further siltation of areas like this, what we're calling the headwaters of the Severn Run.